have no idea what that is. It's got some rather strange looking goo in the middle of that one. But we'll find out. If it's edible, we'll come back and we'll pick it.
So we saw this mushroom, which we didn't know what it is, but then Chill Bill discovered that this was the orange peel mushroom, and it's eatable. We can actually eat it. And even more, it's a dessert mushroom. How often the mushrooms are the dessert, but this one is. So I came here back to pick it up, and it's still here. Da, 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 da. Well, I think somebody munched it already. Maybe it's adult, because about 3 days ago we've been here. Apparently these mushrooms are growing in families, so normally should be a lot of this mushroom here, but I didn't see any, and this is the only one. Does feel and look like orange peel. Yeah, I guess it's a wild boar was here and munched it a little bit. Yeah, well, I picked up as much as I can. If you see something good, pick it up before the wild boar eat it. That's the lesson. And I didn't find more orange peel, but look what I found. Hedgehogs, and quite a lot of it. Okay, let's take it. Nice hunt.
This is what it looks like when it comes out of the ground, or in this case, out of the basket after it's come out of the ground. And you can see it absolutely looks like orange peels. Now, the gamekeeper said, "Oh, c'est mortel," which means it'll kill you, but it's not true. This is the orange peel mushroom, and although it's got a mixed reputation, there's lots of French cookbooks with the recipe in there. And that's enough for me. If the French have been eating it for a couple of 100 years, it can't be that poisonous. You would hope. Orange peel mushroom. And it grows like a cup, but then it splits, and it makes these orange peels. Doesn't it look like an orange peel, or a tangerine peel maybe. And we're going to cook this in a dessert and in a salad from an old French cookbook.
So this is an orange peel mushroom, which is not very often you can see it, even in nature. We saw it probably first time in our life.
Very, very rare mushroom. You will never be able to buy this in a shop.
But we found it, we identified it, and I found the recipes for it. And we can eat it raw, which is quite rare for the mushroom, I think.
Yeah, I don't think eat it, but okay. I think because it's such a rare mushroom, it has a reputation for not necessarily being edible. It's inedible mushroom time. So I think, to start off with at least, eating it raw is not high up my list. Is this salad going to be raw then?
Yeah.
Oh. So okay, let's give it a go. It's in the recipe books. Some books are a bit sceptical about whether it's edible or not, but the French cookbook we've got, it's got plenty of recipes for it.
So let's start from the salad.
And these particular lettuces have been my saviours in my diet, which has gone quite well. I've lost 20 pounds. And I've got another 20 to go, and it's going to be a struggle with all these cooking videos, I can tell you now. But anyway, these have been my friends because they're very satisfying. And of course, 0 calories in one of these. But you can chomp your way through lots of them. It's filling, and it's tasty, and it's got a bit of bite. It's very crisp, and it's a little bit bitter, which suits my old man palate. Very, very good. What are they called?
Sucarine.
Sucarine, I don't know what they're called in America, but that's what they're called over here. Now, excuse the banging around, we've got cats and they want to play, and here's a little video we just shot of them playing. Now, So we're just chopping it up.
It's a salad. You just chop it up.
Well, for some people, salads come in plastic bags already chopped up, don't they? I like that. It's got a bitter taste. I like that bitter. It's a nice bitter taste.
So the salad is chopped. What we do next? What we do next is we're doing the sauce for the salad, which I will take. It's all spontaneous, so we'll take olive oil, quite a bit because there was quite a bit of salad. We'll put a little bit of vinegar, just a spoon.
Okay.
Just a spoon, because vinegar is vinegar. You don't want too much of it.
It's vinegar.
Then we'll take mustard.
Any old mustard? Dijon mustard?
Any old mustard.
Obviously, you've got a really hot mustard. Not quite so much as if you've got a nice, soft, gentle French mustard like this.
Then we'll put a little bit of Tabasco for just a little bit of
Heartburn. By the way, I just heard, for heartburn, a really good thing to take is a teaspoon of cider vinegar with your meal. Apparently it works.
It does work in Japan. People do drink vinegar with the sparkling water, and it's very good and tasty.
Oh, that's true. Yes, yes. Vinegar cocktails, that's a Japanese thing. And you would think it would be terrible, wouldn't you? But it's not so bad. Well, in fact, it's not. It's really nice. Typical Japanese deliciousness.
And they live until 100.
Probably not because of cider vinegar cocktails.
And we will put some honey in it. Just a tablespoon of honey.
Honey with everything here.
Mix, 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 mix.
Mix.
So what we forgot here to put?
I don't know. You always forget something.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Don't forget the salt and pepper.
Half teaspoon of salt.
Count the grains. Exactly 7,362 grains.
And a half spoon of pepper.
So that amount of pepper, you know, a couple of pinches, 3 pinches maybe max, from a 100-year-old pepper grinder. And then drink it. No, don't do that.
Don't do that. And then you pour it around your salad.
And of course, if you like things really hot, you can put more Tabasco in. So if you like a little bit of fruity tang to it, a little bit of zip, you can put raspberries in. These are frozen raspberries from the summer. And this will give a little bit of raspberryness.
I don't know how many, half cup? No, less than half cup.
As many as you got, really.
And pre-last ingredient is this.
Walnuts.
Walnuts.
Yes, they are.
Approved. So, what we'll do with the walnuts, we'll take them, and we chop them, because they're in big chunks, and some people like big chunks, I like small ones, and they will give a little bit of crunchiness to the salad.
The salad's already incredibly crunchy, I've got to say.
It will be more.
Nuttiness. The world needs more nuttiness. Well, actually, it's got enough, hasn't it? But you're going to get more with your walnuts.
We definitely will. And it will also, when you chop it, they will give some oil. So it will be good. So the salad is looking like this. So.
My life flashed before my eyes there.
And now we will use the last ingredient, which is da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da.
So what we do with it?
I don't know.
It's very easy. You just take it and put it around as a beautiful peel. That's what it is. That's how you do it. So easy. This mushroom is so easy and beautiful, and it's give us so many different colored palette on this.
I'm going to have a taste of this raw. I'm sceptical. Let's have a taste. Oh, it looks like orange peel. It smells like orange peel. Not really. And it tastes like nothing.
Nothing.
I mean, faintly mushroomy. It tastes like cardboard, frankly.
Yeah, it does taste like cardboard.
Anyway, we need to save the rest of it for pudding.
Yes.
Cardboard pudding is what we're going to use the rest of it for.
The salad is ready. We'll put it aside and we'll pre-prepare the dessert because it needs about an hour to macerate.
Might as well macerate, I suppose. An hour to percolate. Macerate. I think macerate's good.
Macerate is good.
Yeah, macerate's good. To cogitate.
To cogitate in, and so we'll
To
use...
ruminate.
To ruminate. So we'll use this small dish and I'll put it like this. I think this is the leg. We don't need leg.
Leg of orange peel mushroom, no.
A special dish.
Special delicacy.
We will not use it this time a year. So I'll put lots of this mushroom here.
Need a bigger bowl.
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
Mm-hmm. It's absolutely fine.
So we've got a bowl of orange peels now. It did all fit. I'm amazed. And we're going to put with it, what's that, sugar?
Sugar syrup. So it has to lay in a sugar syrup for about an hour. It's exactly how long it will take us to cook.
And then it's going to taste like sweet sugary cardboard.
Not really, because we will put also some...
Kirsch.
Yes.
Cherry vodka.
Ah.
No, it doesn't smell like much to me.
Oh, it smells so much cherry
Really?
and vodka. Here we are.
Is that enough?
It's enough because then afterwards in 1 hour we'll splash it again with the kirsch. But right now it has to stay.
So the lesson is you've got to put exact amounts of kirsch to get this right. Or you just pour it on.
Or drink it on the side.
And I think that maybe it should have been less of the sugar syrup and more of the kirsch. That was my kind of inclination. But we shall see. We shall see.
1 hour.
So we're going to try this champagne, which is Swiss champagne, or Swiss Method Champenois. It's won lots of medals, apparently. I'm very bad at taking these champagne corks off. This is the bit I don't like. There you go. Downhill now. Oh. Ooh, the Swiss know how to jam their corks in. Let's get some leverage on this. Ah! That always, if you blow across the top, it stops it from exploding everywhere.
And here we have an orange peel mushroom in the kirsch. So we'll take one of it.
Big piece.
Big piece, you want a big piece? Boom! Look how beautiful it is. Oh!
Let's have a taste. Cheers, my dear.
Cheers.
No ching, but never mind. Champagne with cardboard. Very good. What now?
Salad.
Salad, yes, let's do this.
As I'm a cameraman right now, so we mix it because of course the juice that we put in the salad is down. Have some mushroom.
Thank you. Let's try this cardboard. Slightly oily cardboard now. Orange peel without the orange. Maybe you should put some orange juice on it. It might taste like orange peel.
Well, the story of this mushroom, it is purely decorative, so it's for decorative reason. It's not for a taste. It's no taste at all. Yeah, it's no taste. It's just decoration.
Yes, why not? Well, I'm going to say the salad recipe is delicious. The orange peel fungus is cardboard. And considering that some people go, ooh, not so sure about that mushroom, I would say don't bother with it. But the salad recipe is lovely. So to answer the question, does orange peel fungus taste as good as it looks? The answer is no. It tastes like cardboard. And here is a cauliflower mushroom. Yay!